Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be I'll be showing you how to what's it called? How to get your little icon in the how to get your icon in the corner of your screen while your videos are being shown. So first thing you want to do is go to YouTube Studio. I like the classic one because I know where everything is and stuff. So yeah. How's you guys' day going and stuff? And yeah, it's right here. How long was it gonna take? Oh my gosh. Here we go. So, just skip this. Cause I don't mind either one. It's just I like classic more. So what you wanna do is I think it's in community. Where is it? It's around here somewhere. Like I just seen it. Here it is. You have to go to branding. Oh my gosh. Upload a watermark. Let's pick my photo. Start on 00. The entire video. Update that. Hold on. Actually, I wanna. How do you edit it? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna remove mine and then look to see if I could find it. Oh. No. I'll just go with the one I had. Or wait, hold on. It should show up. Yeah, here it is. Show. Alright, so add a watermark. I think it should be in a circle. Here it is. Okay, I honestly don't care. Like, come on. So, yeah. I'm gonna put mines on for the whole video. And then That's all you have to do. So, yeah, that was my video today. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean?